Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. SwitchBot Relay Switch 2PM allows you to manage and monitor two lights on the same circuit simultaneously with a single device. Transform regular lights and appliances into smart ones. It's perfect for shutters, curtains, dual light switches, awnings, pool covers and more. You can control everything from the SwitchBot app. We have the manuals and this tiny device. Matter support. At the back we have one button with indicator. At the front we have 7 connections, 1 neutral, 2 live, 1 load, second load, switch 1 and switch 2. AC 100 to 240 volts, DC 24 volts. SwitchBot logo on a grey color. So let me show you how you can set up this at your existing switch. The whole process is very simple. We have the double switch, the power, the source, neutral, goes to the 2 lights, 1 live cable goes at the switch, and from the switch 1 live cable to the light and the second live cable to the other light. So turn off the main power, disconnect the cables from the switch, later I will use and the switch of course. Now we need the live cable and connect at the L. Next I need the first light, it is the load, 01 load. The second light at the 02 load. Perfect. And I need one neutral from the main source. Because this device needs power, neutral and live cable, both. Perfect. And connect that at the end. Nice. And now we need the switch. 3 cables. 1 we need from the live, the L. And the other 2 cables, first at the S1, switch 1. And the second S2, switch 2. So that is all the cables we need for this connection. And then install this tiny device inside this housing and then the switches. But before that I would like to plug it in, turn on the power. Is flashing at the back, the test switch, first light, second light, off, first, second, off. Now I can install this one here at the housing. So if you've got those traditional appliances, lights or even window coverings that you've been wanting to make smart, and especially if you need to control two lights from one spot, the Relay Switch 2PM is undoubtedly the intelligent choice. Turn on the lights. Nice. Now let's start the setup. SwitchBot app. Add a device. Relay. Some informations. Relay switch 2PM. Choose equipment you want to control via your relay switch. Switch and socket. Cover and shade. Switch and socket. Connect device. Let's test the device. Perfect. Next. You need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the password. Next. Rename the device. Pick a room. Start using. There's the devices. Two different devices. On, off, off. We can see the power 5.3 watts, current 0.1 and voltage 231. Today, yesterday and direction. Got it. Same and for the second device. History data for the switch 1 and switch 2. Schedule, add, you can adjust the hour and the minutes, only once, repeat, choose the days of the week, control it switch, switch 1 or switch 2, on or off action, and save. Disable, enable, and you can delete. Delay, for the switch 1, you can adjust the hour and the minutes, or the switch 2. Logs for the switch 1 and the switch 2. Settings, you can adjust, edit the information, switch name, same in here. Switch type, toggle, edge switch, momentary switch or detached switch. For the first and the second switch you can choose. State after power on, off, restore the last mode it was in, base it on the state of connected switch or button for the first and the second switch. Mistouch prevention, enable or disable. Wi-Fi settings, third-party services. Alexa, turn on switch 5. Alexa, turn off switch 5. Alexa, turn on switch 6. Alexa, turn off switch 6. Same thing you can do and from Google and all the other assistants. And it is Matter support. NFC, turn on switch 1, put your phone on the NFC tag. You can pair SwitchBot tag with your devices through NFC for speedy communication. Matter setup, you can start the setup. Firmware version, you can upgrade the device. Device information, just love it. The dual channel control truly sets the 2PM apart, allowing you to bring smart functionality to two different appliances or lighting circuits with just one compact device. Think of the possibilities, automating your dual gang light switches, perfectly synchronizing your blinds, or even managing two separate devices in one convenient spot. The built-in power monitoring for both channels is an absolute bonus, empowering you to truly understand and optimize your energy consumption, leading to a smarter, more efficient and potential more economical home. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in the world of smart home tech, Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and guides. If you're interested in picking up, I've left a link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We are committed to bring you the most insightful reviews and practical tips to make your home smarter and your life easier. Until next time, automate smart, live smarter, and we'll see you in the next video.